Hey, I'm Ben Seymour, and we're out in the shop now. This is where everything comes together. This is where I make all the different instruments and stuff like that. Uh, I'm known as a luthier. This particular thing would not be something a luthier would normally make. But what I'm sitting on right now, this is called a cajon, and it is a type of a box drum, and you sit on top of it, and this one's just made out of plywood. So it doesn't really matter what kind of wood you make it out of. But anyhow, it has strings on the inside and that helps it vibrate like a snare drum. So I thought I'd bring you a few little tones on it so you can hear what a cajon sounds like. Here we go.